Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and in this tutorial I'm going to brief you that how you can hide and unhide the ribbon in MS Excel 2013. So this is the ribbon, and the first method by which you can hide the ribbon, that is, you just need to come on any tab and double click on that, and your ribbon will be hide. Okay, and if you want to unhide it, you just need to come on that tab and double click on it, and your ribbon will be here. And other method is, you can see that the arrow, okay, ribbon display option. From here I can say auto hide ribbon, and the ribbon with tab, everything will be hide. Okay, and if I want to make it visible, then I will show tabs and commands. Okay, so the ribbon is unhide. So this is the way by which you can hide and unhide ribbon and tab as well in MS Excel 2013. So this is all for this tutorial, and one more thing, that is, you just need to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/c/my etutorial, and my Facebook page www.facebook.com/my-e-tutorial. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. You can find many more videos from my YouTube channel, and many more informative things from my YouTube channel, and as well from my Facebook page. So thank you so much for time for today. Thank you.